Hello. Let's keep up the fun with our Japanese lessons today. Today's theme is daily life. We'll learn words related to everyday living by looking at illustrations. What is this? This is a refrigerator. Refrigerators are used to keep food fresh for a long time. He is so wealthy that he uses a high-performance refrigerator. However, the refrigerator he uses is so powerful that everything inside ends up frozen.
これは冷蔵庫です。冷蔵庫は食べ物を長い間、保存するために使います。彼は非常にたくさんのお金を持っているので、高性能の冷蔵庫を使っています。彼が使っている冷蔵庫は性能が高すぎるため、中のものはすべて凍ってしまいます。
And what is this? This is a hair dryer. Hair dryers are used to dry your hair. He is so wealthy that he uses a high-performance hair dryer. But the hair dryer he uses is so powerful that he can't breathe while using it.
これはドライヤーです。ドライヤーは髪を乾かすために使います。彼は非常にたくさんのお金を持っているので、高性能のドライヤーを使っています。彼が使っているドライヤーは性能が高すぎるため、彼はドライヤーを使っている間、呼吸をすることができません。
What about this? This is a vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaners are used to keep rooms clean. He is so wealthy that he uses a high-performance vacuum cleaner. However, the vacuum cleaner he uses is so powerful that it sucks up all the furniture and appliances in the room.
これは掃除機です。掃除機は部屋をきれいに保つために使います。彼は非常にたくさんのお金を持っているので、高性能の掃除機を使っています。彼が使っている掃除機は性能が高すぎるため、部屋の中にある家具や家電をすべて吸い取ってしまいます。
Great job today. That's it for today's Japanese lesson. We've managed to learn quite a bit, haven't we? Looking forward to our next lesson.